everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1964 Dodge Polara 500. Great car, guys. Actually just took this car back in on trade. Sold it a little over a year ago to a gentleman out of Pennsylvania. Great car, man. The way I describe this car is it's just a good car. I mean, it's got a 4.4 dual quad, 440 in it, 4-speed, Dana rear end, just a good solid straight body. It's got nice paint. Just a great car. Runs and drives excellent. I love the car. I love this body style. This, of course, it's got the Cragar SS's all the way around, which I'm not a big Cragar fan, but I love them on these cars. The chrome and stainless is original, but very nice. Bucket seats console with a 4-speed. I really like that option. And just a good quality car. Good solid straight body. Just a good car. Sorry we got snowflakes falling, but you can see a couple little marks in the paint. There's some things you can pick at on the car, but still very, very nice. Unfortunately, we've got some more snow coming in today, so we're just going to go ahead and shoot it, even though it's spitting some snowflakes. Again, the trim on the car is nice. You can see the dash in there's nice. Glass is good. See, like I said, there's some little flaws in the paint, but I wouldn't do anything. I mean, leave the car alone. That's exactly what the gentleman that I sold to did, and just had a blast with the car. The car's nice and flat. It's just a good car. I bought this car down in North Carolina. Actually, the gentleman I bought it from was actually from Florida. I like the Cragars on this car. I think they look great. The car sits good. It's got a good sound to it. Again, good running 440s, dual quads, Edelbrock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. It's got dual regulators. It's got the bigger radiator with the shroud. It's also got an electric fan. It's controlled on a switch inside. Electronic ignition. Here's your fender tag. Show you underneath the hood. Really just a pretty car. See, the A-pillar chrome is in good shape. Mirrors are nice, show a little wear. Door handles have definitely been replaced. I believe the car's only got 64,000 original miles. I believe this is all the original interior in this car. Bucket seats, console. Factory dash. It's got an aftermarket Sun Pro tach, stock AM radio. It's got the stock Hurst shifter. It's got 2.5-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust. Dana 6354 sure grip rear end. It's got the jack with a spare. There's a new parking brake for the car. Just a good car, man. Dash pad is nice. Steering wheel's got a couple little cracks in it. Dash is in great shape. Got a good running 440. They've got it tuned right in, man. This thing runs out excellent. That's a good looking car. Oil pressures, hold good oil pressure. Fuel gauge works. Tach's working. Your temp is down there, isn't it? Yep. Temp's down there. Alternator gauge works. Console lights work. No on the radio.
I'm not getting nothing on the radio. Blower motor, yeah.
Blower motor does work, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, guys. Give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a pretty car, man. Have a great day, guys.